In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in ConvertKit. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily add images to your email templates and make your emails more engaging and visually appealing. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Send and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, choose Email Templates. This is where all of your existing templates live, and it's also where you can create new ones. On the Email Templates page, you have two choices. You can start fresh by clicking the New Email Template button, usually located at the top right, or you can edit one of your existing templates. To keep things simple, I'll use an existing template. Just find the template you want to work with and click it to open the template editor. Once the editor loads, scroll or move your cursor to the part of the email where you want your image to appear. Click directly in that section to place your text cursor there. You'll notice a small plus icon appear on the left side of that area. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing different types of content you can insert. Scroll through that list until you see the option labeled Image and click it. As soon as you select Image, a pop-up window will appear with several ways to add your picture. If you already have the image saved on your computer, choose the option that says Choose an image to upload. This will open your file browser so you can locate the image file and upload it directly into ConvertKit. If you've previously uploaded images into ConvertKit, you'll also see them available in this pop-up. You can simply click one of those existing images to reuse it, which saves time and keeps your branding consistent. You'll also notice options in the left panel of the pop-up, like Unsplash, which gives you access to free stock photos, and Instagram, where you can connect your account and select images from your feed. Choose whichever source fits your needs best. Once you've made your selection and the upload or import is complete, your chosen image will appear right inside your email template in the spot you selected. From there, you can continue editing your email and get it ready to send.